Gods and goddesses are it. They're turning this shit up. They're turning up. These young kids today, they running amok on this bitch. You talk about the Matrix, they destroying the whole thing.
Hey, would you believe me if I told you we're microorganisms of a celestial body?
Yeah, I don't want to keep pausing and making these little clips. Like, I'm gonna just spit this shit. Look, it's new energy here on the planet, y'all. It's this dark matter energy. It's that.
This is the 369 manifestation method explaining how to use it.
The most intuitive people are loners. A lot of the times you'll notice our most intuitive people like to be alone.
Shadow work is not optional if you're on a spiritual journey. It's necessary.
I'm talking about crashing this thing. And it's a beautiful thing because at the end of the day, right, this is what the return is about. This is what we're talking about. When we talk about the Jesus returning or the aliens returning, we're talking about them, these young guys. You feel me? You got to think about it. We're moving back into the fourth dimensional energy, fourth dimensional swing of this thing, right? So in us moving back to a fourth dimensional construct, these young kids, these young gods and goddesses that's coming through right now in this particular time are the ones returning. I'm talking about they coming with that information, they coming with that light, they're coming with power, and nothing is stopping them. You feel me? These kids are the John Connors. These kids are the Christ return. These kids are the aliens, right? They're alien to this world. They ain't trying to hear that shit. These kids are the ones that's gonna break this whole thing down. Think about these kids when they're 40. Yeah, exactly. So now their kids are going to be the one that shifts shit up. You feel me? That shakes shit up. You talk about Terminator, John Connor. This shit is written in the skies, baby. You can see it already happening, and it's a beautiful thing. The Matrix is destroyed.